This video will take a quick look at a sample of a biological diagram, so a picture, a drawing of what you would see under the microscope. You can see here there's an underlined title. It would have to be done in pencil, so it's in the middle, underlined title. It's a liver cell. The drawing is on a piece of white paper, landscape, not portrait. The drawing is to the left with firm, solid lines. Nothing is shaded. It's stippled if there's any shading. And there's no sketching happening. You'll notice that the labels are to the right and they all end up at roughly the same spot. Everything's parallel and no lines are crossing. Everything is touching the part that you're labeling, so the nucleus, the nuclear membrane being touched. The cell membrane is touched there. It's not here, it's touched there. The key words, the labels themselves are not on the line, but they're on the tip of the line. There's also a magnification at the bottom right, which is a drawing magnification. And so this is the checklist of all the things you need to have a really good biological diagram. Underline title, title in the center, drawing is large and to the left, labels to the right. Labels have been drawn with a ruler, same with the underlined title. It's all in pencil. The magnification is the bottom right. There's stippling, no shading. There's solid lines, no sketching. Typically you want to have the name and date as well. Sometimes you can do it on the back side of the paper, that's fine. It has to be neat and clean, so not as many erasure marks. And labels should be included. Usually I ask for at least 2 labels of parts of cells that we're studying. Sometimes it could be 3, but it's all the same basic ones. Think about the easiest ones to do, right? If it's an animal cell, you have the cell membrane. If it's a plant cell, you have the cell wall. You can sometimes see the nucleus. You can sometimes just label the cytoplasm by pointing here at nothing, essentially. So at least 2 parts need to be labeled, and you get better at labeling those parts as you get more practice. So again, this was a quick overview of the biological drawing that I expect of you in grade 10 science, and typically you have the same format for most of your biology courses you're going to see.